Hello, Michael Lamb from Michael's Alchemy, and I'm just explaining. I've been asked to express what I know about the planet Mars and its energy connection with iron. So, the main metal we're talking about today is iron. Iron itself is manufactured and formed into various other compounds of steels. You have different high carbon steels and lower carbon steels. And of course, everything, all the vehicles and everything are made out of iron. Exactly the place you're living in was possibly more than likely been put together with, you know, iron or steel nails, screws, and so on and so forth as well. I'd like to talk a little bit about it. Its connection to Mars and Ares was like the god of energy and I suppose in the more modern sense they call it the god of war. But I'd say it was more to the aspect of the older aspects from over 2,000 years ago. You see Mars as a very, I suppose, like a strategist, high-end metal. It's a very strong metal. It's phenomenal. I mean, you don't have to wear it on the body. It's all around you all the time. I mean, everything from bed frames to any kind of vehicle is made out of a type of some sort of steel or metal. Obviously, we're talking about different metals and their properties, but it is absolutely probably the one of those universal and useful items in the world. I think even the Earth's crust is about, I think it was about 5% iron. I think in the actual mantle of this planet, it's a lot of metal there. It's the main metal that can be magnetized. It can be magnetized. You can obviously form magnets with it. Obviously, they don't have the same power as a neodymium magnets, sorry. They have a lot more power, a lot more energy. But that's what we're going to be talking about. A lot more of these magics and these metals and some of their attributes and how they're connected to planets or ancient gods and races and beings and these different cultures. So more on that. You can learn a lot more at michaelsalchemy.com. It's a really good site that we've just been putting together. It's obviously under construction all the time. And I'd be very proud to actually, take you on different courses and explain a lot more about it. So thank you.